Belle sweet me Yanfuyanfu for the Ogbonge support where USAID they bring for Naija, especially Edo people where they suffer from HIV and AIDS. Number one lady for Edo, Betsy Obaseki, don't hear the United States Agency for International Development (USAID) on top their Ogbonge help to ease the pain of people where they live with HIV and AIDS for the state. She heard them when she received the USAID Care and Treatment Team Lead, Dolakbo Ogudeyi, wey carry waka enter government house for Benin City. Betsy con collect their mind say the state government through her office go continue to give the agency and their partners the help wey dem need to succeed to take carry out their projects for the state.
People must be, in the forefront of every intervention, policy, projects and program. I'm proud to say that my husband, the governor of Edo State, is one such governor who is very good governance wired. In a nutshell, I think we are speaking the same language and we have similar goals, objectives and ideals. So we have a natural partnership which I promise that will continue as a state, as a government and in my person and from my office will continue to nurture and provide the USAID and your implementing partners all the support and assistance to be able to succeed as you implement your projects.
Dolakbo Ogudeyi will be USAID Care and Treatment Team Lead, come salute the state for their support for over 18 years where they done the state. She come here and say they don't sabi and place over 25,000 people where they live with HIV and AIDS for life-saving treatment. Say them still get 17,000 people where them never diagnosed to begin treatment. She comes to talk say, sadly, them get over 6,500 of them will be children. That now why them they focus on the mother-to-child transmission with orphans and helpless children for the state.
So far, with the support of USAID in Edo State, we've been able to identify and place 25,000 plus of these people on life-saving treatment. However, we still have an unmet need of 17,000 people who are yet to be diagnosed and placed on treatment. Standing, we have over 6,500 of them as children.
The Ogbonge people wait and down top the courtesy visit now Permanent Secretary, Government House and Protocol, Julie Olatunji. Team Lead USAID, Dolakbo Ogudeyi. Edo State Number One Lady, Betsy Obaseki. Commissioner for Social Development and Gender Issues, Maria Edeko. Chief Executive Officer, Association for Reproductive and Family Health, Dr. Kehinde Oshinowo. And Chief of Party, Association for Reproductive and Family Health, Dr. Iwala Felix. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.